So in this video, I'll show you how to skip verify age on YouTube on PC. After you open up your PC like this, now here is my YouTube. After you go to youtube.com, click on this profile. So under your profile, now click on this Google account. After you open the Google account, so it will give you option like this. Here is your profile icon. So go to this personal info. Under the personal info, go to this birthday. So click on this birthday. So here it will ask you now to change your birthday. So if your date of birth is less than 18, so adjust the date of birth to be above than 18. So after you change the date of birth, then go back to the YouTube. So from this option, now click on your profile icon again. After you click on the profile icon, scroll to down and click on this restricted mode. So your restricted mode must be, as you can see now, it will be turned on. So turn it off. After turn it off, so now go ahead now and refresh your home page. So now you can skip the verify age on your YouTube while using your PC, and that's it, guys.